In this picture, line 1 and line 2 are parallel lines, which means that they are always going to be the same distance apart from each other. They're never going to touch. These lines are cut by a line called a transversal, so it's just cutting through the parallel lines. We're going to try to figure out the measure of angle number 3 and the measure of angle number 6 using the F theorem, or corresponding angles. So we can see the letter F here, and we're going to use that to help us to figure out the measure of angle 3 and angle 6. So the F theorem tells us that if two angles are on the same side of the transversal, so we're going to be looking on the right-hand side of this transversal line, if those two angles are on the same side of the transversal and both above the parallel lines, then they will be congruent or the same. So that means that angle 2 and angle 6 are the same because they are both above the parallel lines and to the right side. So we can say that angle number 6 is equal to 65 degrees. Angle number 3 and angle number 7 are both to the right-hand side of the transversal, and both are below the parallel line, so they are also congruent. So that means that angle number 3 will be equal to 115 degrees. We can also use a backwards F to help us figure out corresponding angles on the other side of the transversal. So now we're looking to the left side of this transversal line. So again, if we use the letter F, the angles that are both above the parallel line are congruent, and the angles that are both below the parallel line are also congruent. So in this example, angle number 1 and angle number 5 will be the same. So because angle number 1 is equal to 115 degrees, angle number 5 will also equal 115 degrees. Angle number 4 and angle number 8 are both to the left and below the parallel lines. So that means that angle number 4 will be equal to 65 degrees because it is congruent to angle number 8.